focus on machine now. The Fiber laser CNC cutting machine. Fiber laser CNC cutting machine is widely used to cut sheet metal, such as carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum, galvanized sheet, and other metals. Look at the appearance. This is a finished Fiber laser CNC cutting machine. You can see the Fiber laser cutting machine can be workable. Cutting head is inside, and crossbeam. Operation component and Fiber laser cells. Water chiller. You will also need a compressor special for Fiber laser cutting machine and a gas tank. This is gas tank. Okay, next we will introduce each function of the part. Because this machine is covered, so we will introduce the inside detail. Use that machine. Follow me, please. This machine is the open and single table cutting machine. Please focus on the working table. This working table is very long. And this is also our new design working table. It has excellent dust removal function. As our appearance, over 90% malfunction of Fiber laser cutting machine is all because of cutting head broken. The cutting dust can damage the cutting head. So we designed this work table to remove the dust and smoke when cutting to protect the cutting machine. Come here, please. I will show you how the working table works. You can see here, this is exhaust outlet. This one. Each meter will have 2 exhaust outside on both sides. When the cutting head go here, the exhaust outside will open and remove the dust and smoke to protect the head. The exhaust outside open or closed are controlled by CNC system. Okay, if you think our design is very well, please follow us and like us. You can receive our new promotion news and update catalog.
Have a question.
Please.
What is the machine effective cutting area?
For this cutting machine, its effective cutting area is 2.5 by 12 meter. It is very long. It's for internal customer. Okay, let's introduce next part. Please focus on the gear rack. You can see the gear rack brand is YYC, made in Taiwan, China. It is a helical tooth design. This design makes machine have high precision and compact structure, so machine can running stable without vibration. And this is Lana Real. The brand is THK, made in Japan. It makes machine running smoothly and stable without vibration. Also make cutting accuracy and efficiency. Please like us and feel us. Please follow us and like us. We also prepare some gifts for you. Please show the gift. Please gift is here. Next, we will introduce the servo motor. This is the servo motor. Our servo motor uses Fuji brand made in Japan. You can see it is very big. This power of the servo motor is 1,800 volts. It is very powerful. The machine have two servo motors for one access on both sides. This side and that side.
Have question.
Question, please.
Does the motor have other brand?
Yes. We also supply Panasonic brand, also made in Japanese, also made in Japan.
Okay.
For the axis, also have a servo motor inside the head touch station.
Okay.
Next, let's show the maintenance system. This maintenance system is automatic lubrication for reels. You can set the adding oils frequency and quantity by computer. So this system can largely improve the machine's lifetime. You can see this is Chinese edition instruction. We will provide you English one. Okay. If you are interested in our fiber laser cutting machine, please follow us and like us. We also have plasma and flame cutting machine. And you will get our promotion news and updating catalog.
Have question.
Question, please.
Does your engineer can come to our country to install machine?
Yes, our engineer can go to your country to install the machine and make training. And we also supply 24-hour online service to guide you install the machine. We also supply video online. Let's look at the cross beam. You can find the cross beam is very light. Looks very light. The material of the cross beam is tensile aluminum, not cast aluminum. The tensile aluminum is very strong rigidity, high density, more stable, and not easy to deform. We also prepare gifts for you today. Please follow us and like us. That's good. The cutting head. The cutting head is inside. We will open the cover and see the cutting head. This cutting head is Rito brand. It is very widely used in China now because it is very stable. You can see it is very good sealed. Also have anti-collision design. Height adjust to protect the lens. It has automatic focus and manual focus. This cutting head is automatic focus.
AUX 模式
The automatic focus can improve cutting efficiency and accuracy. Okay, we will close. Next is operation cabinet. This is operation cabinet. It includes the CNC system and touch head controller. This is the screen. You can see our brand Honeybee CNC. Let us see inside. This is CNC system. The CNC system is a full solution specially designed for sheet metal cutting. It supports auto CD, core draw, and so on. It makes cutting very easy, from drawing, nesting, to workpiece. Just can finish by a few clicks. Our system supports many languages.
Have question.
Question, please.
Does the CNC controller has other language? Can you show me?
Yes, we have many language. You can set the language. You can see now it is Chinese language. Please show us Spanish. We have many languages like English, Spanish. Language, you can choose English. Okay. The operation cabinets also contain touch head controller. The touch head controller main function is to adjust the distance between the blade and the cutting head to protect the cutting head. It can effectively avoid tip-up corrosion risk in the production. Next, please, if you are interested in our machine, please follow us and like us. You can receive our promotion news and updating catalog.
Have question.
Question, please.
Do you have any discount?
Yes, we offer discount and some gifts today for you. Please show us the gift.
Okay.
You can get coupon from our store. Next one is the fabric cutting machine. The cutting thickness depends on fabric cutting machine. You can see the brand of the fabric cutting machine is Max, made in China. It is very popular in China now because it is also very stable and good performance. This is 1,000. This laser source power is 1,000 watts. It can cut 8 mm for carbon steel. This is water chiller. It is Honey brand. We also supply Kung Fu brand. The function of the water chiller is to cool the laser cells and cutting head to protect them. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. For laser cells, the IPG brand also optional.
Okay, have question.
Please.
Do you think Max or Rico laser better?
Max is Chinese brand. It is very economical, with good performance. IPG is an international brand, so it is a little expensive, I think. We offer some gifts for you today. Please follow us and like us. In our store, we have very promotion. If you follow us, you can get the promotion timely. This is our secret gift.
Have question.
Please.
What is the delivery time for this machine?
This machine is open type. Its standard cutting area is 3,000 by 1,500 millimeter. It is our very standard machine. If you buy this machine, we can deliver it in 20 days after get the deposit. Okay. If you have any question, please type here. We will answer you. We have seen all the main components of this fiber laser cutting machine. It looks very good. But how about its performance? Does it cut well? Does it cut fast? Let's find the answer. Next, we will cut our brand, Honeybee CNC. Please. Here we go. It's a real cut.
Start.
You can see the cutting speed is very fast. Please follow us and like us. We have proven in our store. If you buy this machine, you can save much money. I see your question. It can mark also. Yes, it also can mark. Let us look at the result. You can see the edge of the cutting is very smoothly. Okay, any question? Okay. Some customer ask, how long is the machine guaranteed? I think many customers very care about this question. Our machine guarantee is 2 years. During the guarantee period, you can get free spare parts, and we will supply 24 hours online service.